Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by checking prerequisites. Make sure your Samsung F14 5G is updated and you're signed into both Samsung and Google accounts. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Apps and Notifications. This gets you where ad source is live. Make sure device care or battery savers are off while you test, since they can hide options. Now head to Default Apps and Notification Access, so you can see which apps display ads and which have permission to show pop-ups and overlays. Next, focus on the middle steps. Identify apps causing ads. In Settings Apps, inspect each app that you don't recognize or that shows many notifications. Disable notifications and background activity for suspect apps. Make sure to revoke display over other apps for apps that create pop-ups. Once you limit permissions, uninstall any unused or intrusive apps. Also check Chrome and Samsung Internet. Go into each browser's settings to turn off pop-ups and redirects and to disable personalized ads. To finish, stop system-level ads. Settings privacy advertising and toggle off ad personalization and reset your advertising ID. Then open Samsung apps like Galaxy Store, Themes, and Weather to turn off recommendations. Once done, clear cache for affected apps and reboot. If ads persist, boot into safe mode to test, then reset app preferences. As a last resort, backup data and perform a factory reset. Troubleshooting tip. Safe mode isolates third-party apps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.